Hey, hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn what is Jira. But before we start, don't forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So here we are going. I'm going to explain you what is Jira. Friends, firstly, I would like to tell you about Jira. Jira founded back in 2002 by Atlassian, a company based in Australia. Jira is one of the popular ticketing tool all over the world. It helps you to increase your productivity with efficient manner, and it keeps the productivity consistent. So I'm going to explain each and every point in detail. Firstly, I'm going to explain what is the basic uses of Jira. So Jira widely used in multiple teams. So it's used in software development, it's used in software testing, it's used in software designing, it's widely used in almost each and every team. Like it's used in is in into the marketing as well, then it's used into the HR domain as well, then operations as well. There are multiple uses of this ticketing tool. So as I said, it's a ticketing tool. So it is help you to communicate betterly. It helps you to increase your productivity rapidly. So these are the teams which is use Jira quite efficiently. And in Indian industry there are multiple companies that already adopted this ticketing tool. Apart from the project management uh, team, it manage entire project like from start to delivery. Then again, if you can say, it used in many purposes. Like also it can be useful into the product life cycle to manage the entire product. Then again, the basic targeted use of this ticketing tool is to like allocate the task to the team members, because previously what happened, you don't have access to of all the tasks which is divided into like testing, development, designing team. But with the use of this ticketing tool, the task allocation comes into the one bucket only into this application. So it is really helpful to understand what's going on into the project and what we need to deliver into the project, or where is the loopholes we can easily find with this. And one of the also very important use of this ticketing tool, that is into the issue tracking, bug tracking. So whenever while working as a developer, tester, designer, there are some bugs comes into the system while coding or doing any other work related to technologies. So this ticketing tool helps to track that bug, track that issue. So it is quite useful for those to understand the loopholes in the system. So this is a very useful ticketing tool. So if you're working as a project manager, if you're working as an HR, if you're working as a marketing professional, so get this tool into your system in your company, because it's going to help you a lot into the increase your productivity, efficiency in your team. So yeah, the revenue also increase with the use of this ticketing tool. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching entire video. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, friends.